Yesterday, a court allowed the SIT probing the Lakhimpur Kheri violence to add the charges of attempt to murder in the FIR against the accused. All 13 accused in the Tikoonia violence case were produced in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate China Ram during the day. The magistrate agreed to replace lesser charges like causing death by negligence with the more serious one of an attempt to murder in connection with the death of 8 people, including 4 farmers in Lakhimpur Kheri on October 3rd. The FIR against them already mentioned IPC sections 302, that is murder, 147, that is rioting, 148, that is rioting armed with a deadly weapon, 149, that is every member of unlawful assembly guilty of offence committed in prosecution of common object, and 120B, that is criminal conspiracy. Earlier, the SIT team had urged the Chief Judicial Magistrate to replace IPC sections 279, that is rash driving or riding, 338, that is causing grievous injuries by negligence, and 304A, that is causing death by a rash and negligence act with IPC section 307, that is attempt to murder, among others. It also recommended the promulgation of IPC sections 326, that is voluntarily causing injuries by dangerous weapons, 34, that is acts by several persons with common intentions, and sections 325-30 of the Arms Act in the warrants of the 13th accused. Senior Prosecution Officer SP Yadav said that Chief Judicial Magistrate China Ram allowed the special investigators to add IPC sections 307, 326 and sections 325 and 30 read with section 35 of the Arms Act. He added that after hearing the arguments of the prosecution and defense counsels, the magistrate also allowed to drop sections 279, 338 and 304A of the IPC against the accused. The defense counsels, while arguing in the court, objected to the addition of section 34 of the IPC and provisions of the Arms Act. However, the court held that the addition of section 34 was unjustified as the accused had already been remanded under section 149. The accused have been arrested in connection with FIR number 219, which pertains to the death of the 4 farmers and a local journalist in Tikoonia.